Just a single click to the Update Sales Stats button will do exactly that, pulling data from the KDP Beta Reports page, and it can fetch every sale for all books and marketplaces for the number of days you specify in the pop-up. KDP Wizard will display a small indicator underneath every book that is sold in the period you set. Hover over this to see how many and in which marketplaces that book has sold in. For books that are already saved in your base, these sales numbers will also be pushed again to your base in the bookshelf table for each book that has sold something in the specified period. The sales bar sits above the KDP Wizard bookshelf dashboard, showing you a summary of your important sales info right where you need it. You'll need to refresh the data the first time you open the dashboard, which you can do by clicking the refresh button. Be aware the sales bar will only be visible when viewing the top of the bookshelf page and will hide as you scroll down. In the settings page of the pop-up app, there's a section for sales options. Here you can choose if you want a Chrome browser notification, set the sound that plays for new sales today, change how often the sales data should be refreshed, and disable the tab if you don't wish to see it. Just remember to hit the green save button to retain your choices. Click anywhere in the sales bar to open up the sales dashboard. This displays more detail about which marketplaces your sales are coming from, coupled with a breakdown for today's sales, the last 7 and 30 days, and all-time sales. Note that KDP Beta Reports only shows stats from January 1st, 2018. The lower section provides a sales info breakdown per book, and you can switch from today's sales to other time periods to see your best performing books at a glance. From here you can click the book title to open its product page, or use the buttons to the right to either edit the book, open its record in Airtable, or update the book in your base. You have the option to mask details if you wish to screenshot your sales to share with others without showing your covers or book titles. Click here to open the KDP Beta Reports page.